Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dustin from Town Web. I wanted to show you how to build a municipal website from beginning to end. So the computer program we use is called Balsamiq, and it makes it very easy to make quick and dirty sketches of what a municipal website can look like. The reason why it works so great is that it's just basically black and white drawings. We don't worry about color, we don't worry about typography, and we don't worry about actual images that go into the design. So instead we're focusing more on the layout, the structure, the usability. We also look at the hierarchy of the text as somebody flows through the page. Without further ado, here it is. Here's one of the examples we have for the Village of Cassville's project. As you can see here, we have the navigation link, and again, we have these three main links for government, departments, and community. And then underneath, we have the quick links. And then we have a section for the news and notices. And the news and notices have two distinct categories. One is the village news, and the other one is for ferry news. And then underneath we have the mini calendar with different calendar of events that would show. And they wanted to have an area for the webcam, which will be installed shortly. And then we have a section for subscribing to get notifications. Now I'm going to flip over to the second example of the homepage concept that we showed to Village of Cassville. So in this example, we're showing that we still have the big banner area. Maybe it will be a slideshow. But then we're going to have some areas here for like village news, another tab for ferry news, and then specifically another tab for calendar of events, another area for people to quick link to view the minutes and the agendas, and then another one to view the webcam. And then directly underneath that would be the opportunity for people to subscribe to notices. And then this is kind of like a little marketing thing, things that make the village special. So in the end, the client liked this design better, so this is the one that we're going to move forward with when we do the Photoshop design mockup. So let me show you a couple of the other pages that we have wireframes for. This is the Ferry page. So the unique thing about this project again is it's a 3-in-1 website. So one part is for the municipality, the second part is for the ferry, and then the third part will be for tourism. So for the ferry page, we have a big image here it'll show a picture of the ferry, and then the other part here is for the news, and this is news specifically of the ferry. Then on the left side here we'll have another photograph that will showcase some pictures of the ferry. We'll have some detailed information, so at a glance people can see when the ferry is open, what the hours of operation are. And then directly underneath that we're going to show the rates, and then we're going to have a more extensive FAQ question here. And then we're going to have a map area. This is going to show where the dock is. After the ferry part, we can also talk about the tourism page. So the tourism page will be broken up into a couple different mini pages. The tourists will want to see the activities that are going to be happening inside the community. So what we've done here is built it so when somebody visits the home page, at a glance, they can view the dates, times, and details of each event as it's happening within each month. Another part of this page is the business directory. They have a couple dozen different businesses in their community. What we've done is created different hashtags based on the type of organization it is, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's related to recreation, lodging, services, travel, and shopping. So essentially, this is the process that we use for building a new municipal website from the ground up. And then in the next stage of this project, we take these low-fidelity wireframes and we hand them over to the design team. So the design team will take these low-fidelity wireframe mockups as an example to structure and build a high-fidelity Photoshop mockup. The Photoshop mockup will incorporate the color palette, the typography, and any photographs. And then at the end of that, we'll have a really good design that we can show to the client of what the website will look like when we go live.